Ever wondered how the Amish keep food fresh without a single refrigerator? No machines, no electricity. Yet their food lasts for months. Today, on Rustic Pantry, we're diving into their timeless secrets: root cellars, ice houses, fermentation, and more. Stick around, because these old-school techniques will amaze you. 1. Living without modern machines. The Amish don't have electric lights, no microwaves, no fancy refrigerators humming in the kitchen. They choose it. Life simple, life slow, life close to the land. Most of us can't imagine a day without these conveniences. But the Amish? They thrive. Their world is quiet. The air smells of wood smoke and fresh hay. Their kitchens? Bustling but calm. Food stays fresh, not because of machines, but because of knowledge passed down through generations. Tricks, secrets, little hacks their grandparents learned from their grandparents. It's all about patience, planning, working with nature, not against it. 2. The magic of root cellars. Every Amish home has one. The root cellar, a dark, underground room. Walls thick, cool, damp. Perfect place for potatoes, carrots, apples, cabbages, jars of preserves, shelves lined with baskets. Organized chaos. No power, no buzz, no beep. Just cool earth keeping food alive. Winter doesn't scare them. Snow covers the fields. The garden sleeps, but the root cellar is awake. It feeds them, keeps vegetables crisp, fruits sweet. Food lasts months. A simple space, but a powerful tool. Nature's own refrigerator. 3. Canning, capturing summer. Summer comes. Kitchens explode with colors. Red tomatoes, golden peaches, green beans. The sound of boiling water. Clinking jars. Women laughing. Men moving barrels of produce. Canning is serious work, not a chore. A ritual. Boil jars. Fill with food. Seal tight. Store in the cellar. Done right, these jars last winter long. Every jar tells a story. Hard work, patience, gratitude. This is their secret. Some are locked in glass, ready to eat months later. No electricity required. Only care, only hands, only heart. 4. Ice houses, winter's gift. They cut ice from frozen ponds. Thick blocks, stored in insulated ice houses. Sawdust packed tight around them. Keeps cold trapped. Weeks, months, even until summer. Milk stays fresh. Butter firm. Cheese perfect. Small metal ice boxes in kitchens hold daily supplies. No power. No plugs. Just ice, insulation, and clever planning. The work is communal. Men from the community help. Ice cut at dawn. Carried carefully. Stored with care. It's laborious, but it works, and it lasts. Amazing, isn't it? Using winter to survive summer. 5. Spring houses, nature's refrigerator. Some lucky Amish homes sit beside cold springs. Small stone houses built over running water. Food sits above, chilled by nature's own system. Milk, eggs, cream, kept cold without electricity. Water trickles. Air smells fresh. Walls damp, cold. Children play outside. Adults work quietly. No clock. No alarm. Food stays fresh. Hours, days, even weeks. Ingenious, right? The Amish didn't invent electricity. They invented patience, ingenuity, ways to survive, thrive, and live well, all with nature's help. 6. Fermentation. Time as an ingredient. Cabbage becomes sauerkraut. Cucumbers turn pickles. Milk turns cheese. No fridge needed. Just salt. Just time. Just bacteria doing their work. Fermentation is slow, but effective, flavorful, healthy. Every jar of pickles or sauerkraut is a story. Patience rewarded. Generations of skill packed into every bite. They eat it daily. Winter meals rich, hearty. Summer meals light. All natural. No preservatives needed. The Amish have mastered the science of waiting. They know nature has its timing, and they respect it. 7. Smoking and drying, the long game. Meat hangs in smokehouses. Fish too. Hams, sausages, bacon. Weeks of smoke, slow fire. Flavor builds. Spoilage avoided. Fruit and core dried. Apples sliced, beans shelled, herbs bundled. Sun, stow, patience. Months later, food ready. No electricity, no chemicals. Just air, heat, smoke. Time does the rest. Smoke thick, smell lingers. Kids run past, chasing each other. Food dries, food lasts. Work is hard, but rewards? Incredible. Every meal tells a story. Smoke, sweat, skill. It's a labor of love and survival. 8. Community sharing. No waste allowed. The Amish don't hoard. Too much. Share with neighbors. Milk, butter, vegetables, preserves. Eggs fresh every morning. Bread baked daily. Vegetables picked and eaten same day. Food moves quickly. Freshness rotates. Little waste. Big community. Families help each other. Work together. Eat together. The rhythm of life keeps food fresh and hearts full. There's beauty in this simplicity, in helping, in giving, in rotating food and sharing the abundance. Modern world could learn a lot about patience, about gratitude, about working together. 9. Eating seasonally, nature's calendar. Strawberries in June, apples in October, carrots in winter, lettuce in spring. Seasonal eating keeps food fresh naturally, avoids artificial imports, avoids long storage. Meals follow nature's rhythm. Each season brings new flavors, colors, textures, excitement. Meals feel alive, connected to the earth, connected to the sun, connected to God. The Amish don't chase food across the globe. They eat what grows near them. Time-honored method. Always fresh. Always right. 10. Lessons from the Amish. In a world obsessed with convenience, the Amish teach patience, skill, ingenuity. They don't need electricity, don't need machines. Food stays fresh. Long winters are survived. Summers are captured in jars. Every cellar, every jar, every ice block. A lesson in human ingenuity, in living simply, in respecting nature. You watch, you learn. You see a world where machines aren't necessary, where life is slower, fuller, richer, and yes, maybe, just maybe a little wiser. That's how the Amish keep their food fresh the natural way. Simple, smart, and sustainable. If you loved learning these timeless secrets, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Rustic Pantry stories. Tell us in the comments which method you try at home. Until next time, stay rustic, stay fresh.